Parameters. Pack of 20 T5 LED bulbs, working voltage, District of Columbia 9V to 16V, color, 6000K white. 3030 LED chipsets, much brighter than halogen bulbs. Product advantage. Use the latest technology 3030 chips, upgrade your vehicle's lighting. Low power consumption, long-lasting life, faster response time, great replacement for your vehicle interior light. Fitment. Fit T5, 17, 18, 27, 37, 58, 70, 73, 74, 79, 85, 86, 24, 2721, 2723, 103, 118, 206, 207, 286, 306, 307, 308, 406, 407, PC74 PC37 PC118 etc. Size. Direct replacement, no wire required, just plug and play. Wide application range. Interior light, dashboard light, instrument panel light, gauge cluster indicator light, map light, dome light, license plate light, trunk, cargo light, door courtesy light, check engine light, center console light, vanity mirror light, glovebox light etc. Important tips. This T5 LED bulbs are polarity sensitive, so if the LED bulb does not light up, just simply flip it 180 degrees, it will light up. Top reviews from the United States. Nice and bright, polarity matters. These lights are as easy to install as a standard bulb. They are nice and bright, and they adjust in brightness with the dimmer switch. The only issue is that there are no instructions, and these bulbs require the correct polarity when installed. Once I figured that out, they all lit up fine.